In this demo, we will see how to use the Upload widget to upload files to our app. Let's start by looking at the scenario we have. We have here a few products listed on the screen. Clicking on a product, we can edit its information, such as its name. On this screen, we'll add an Upload widget to enable us to also change the image of the product if needed. Let's get started. You will find the form inside the Product Details screen. To use the Upload widget, simply drag it and drop it where you want it on the screen. The Upload widget requires two properties to be set. The first one is the variable where you will store the content of the upload file. For this, you will need a binary data variable. In this case, we already have an aggregate attribute that we will use. The second property is another variable that will hold the file name. For this demo, we won't use the file name, but we still need to set a variable for it. The save logic is already defined, but let's quickly go over it. Inside the save logic, we have a call to a server action. This is where the upload actually happens and the file is sent to the server. Let's test it. Select one of the products. Clicking on the Upload widget will bring up the Selected File dialog. Select the image you want and then click the Save button. As we can see, the image associated with the product has been updated in the product screen.